Since 1941, SP Kinney has represented the pinnacle of industrial automatic self-cleaning strainers for the removal of suspended solids from water systems around the world. Completely manufactured in the United States, SP Kinney strainers are known for their heavy-duty design, reliability, easy maintenance, and longevity. Throughout its long history, SP Kinney has designed, manufactured, and installed thousands of strainers at industrial and municipal facilities with great success. The SP Kinney Model A strainer is the gold standard of industrial, self-cleaning automatic strainers for any water system. Each installation is custom-built to meet the end user's specific needs. The Model A strainer is offered with pipe sizes ranging from 2 inches to 48 inches. Filtration levels range from 6,300 microns down to 40 microns. Model A designs can be sized to accommodate flows ranging from 25 US GPM up to 120,000 US GPM. Internal operating pressures for the Model A range from 20 psig to 150 psig, with lower and higher pressure designs also available. Primary material of construction options for the main strainer components include cast iron, stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum bronze. Standard commercial designs are of 100% cast iron construction. Chosen specifically for each installation, every strainer contains the key straining elements called media, responsible for removing a wide variety of suspended solids. Primary media types include perforated discs, perforated cones, slotted cones, and wire mesh cones made of either Delrin plastic, stainless steel, or bronze. SP Kinney strainers excel in both sea and freshwater environments and are effective in dealing with any and all suspended solids that may be encountered. The Model A is highly effective dealing with fibrous materials, granular solids, and any other general debris for raw water, recirculating water, white water, hot liquor, or sewage applications. The Model A has a continuously rotating drum that has a number of tapped holes, each containing media securely held in place by threaded retaining rings. Dirty water flows in through the inlet connection, around the outer surface of the rotating drum, and through the media holes. During this process, suspended solids are trapped by the media, allowing only clean water to pass through to the drum's center. This clean water then flows down the center of the rotating drum into a well, continuing downstream through the outlet connection that is attached to the well. Inside the strainer, the continuously rotating drum sits flush against a backwash pad that is cast or fabricated, depending on the construction of the strainer, into the strainer's body. The backwash pad has an outlet that is piped to a drain. On the backwash pipeline, there's an automated valve. To initiate backwashing, the automated valve opens, allowing the internal operating pressure to blow any debris caught in the media out to the drain as the drum revolves past the backwash pad and outlet. Highly efficient, the Model A's drum rotates at the same speed 24/7, evenly distributing debris while still allowing continuous flow through the strainer, even during backwash operations. The Model A is regulated by a timer, typically initiating a backwash cycle of 2 minutes for every half hour, but it is fully customizable based on what the application requires. In one 24-hour period, only approximately 0.5% of the daily flow is lost to backwashing if our standard time cycle is maintained. A differential pressure switch installed on the outside of the unit measures the differential pressure across the strainer's inlet and outlet. This switch acts as a backup to the timer. If a large influx of debris enters the strainer, it will rapidly fill media holes and the outlet pressure will drop. If the predetermined pressure limit is reached, the DP switch overrides the timer, beginning the backwash cycle. Backwashing continues until the predetermined normal pressure differential is reached. Once achieved, the strainer resumes its original time cycle. Pressure gauges are installed on static piping lines for maintenance crews to visually inspect inlet and outlet pressure. Advantages to the Model A include shearing capacity. The rotating drum permits an even distribution of suspended particles and a shearing feature. Objects such as sticks, fish, and other large debris are sheared down to size as they get crushed between the backwash pad and the revolving drum. A variety of straining media. A large variety of interchangeable media elements address your specific need and can be replaced or changed if need be, as opposed to replacing an entire drum. Ease of inspection and maintenance. The strainer's inspection window allows access to the entire drum and every media opening. Any and all required maintenance to the strainer's internals can be done through this window rather than taking the entire unit apart. We also offer a transparent window that allows visual inspection of the drum and straining elements while the strainer is in operation. Longevity of the equipment. The heavy-duty design of the Model A results in an above-average lifespan for equipment of this type. There are still many SP Kinney Model A strainers installed in the 1950s and 1960s in operation today. SP Kinney's Rebuild Program. We offer a refurbishment program in which we will repair the Model A strainer and warranty it like new. SP Kinney's Quality Assurance Program. We have an accredited ASME Section 8U stamp, a 10 CFR 50B nuclear QA program, strainers that qualify as NSF approved and CHEM resistant, as well as our standard commercial designs. With over 10,000 quality installations since 1941, SP Kinney produces the world's best self-cleaning automatic straining equipment. For more information, visit us on the web at spkinney.com or call 1-800-356-1118.